Hey, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. And I am super excited. Well, first of all, let's say I'm super excited just because I am next to this beautiful tree of mine. Like, I really put my heart into this. I still have some more stuff to put on there, but I'm super loving it because I just feel like it screams my name. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do 4 DIYs for gifts giving. Yeah, because we are in the season of gift giving and wonderful time it is. And also, let's not forget, there's nothing wrong with gifting yourself. So if you like any of these DIYs to give to yourself, why not? You know, we're almost in the year of 2021 where I want to say things are changing and self-love is the number one. If you can't love yourself, you cannot love others. So that's one of my little tea talk for you guys, and we're gonna get on to this video. So most of these DIYs you can do on your own. Some of them is kind of like baking, so yeah. And also, if you don't have a vinyl cutter, don't feel bad. Make your own design. Like, you know, you'll get crafty, and if you want to, you can buy one. My last video, I'm gonna leave it right here somewhere. You can go check it out and see how I bought mine and how much it was, and purchase it, and you can try some of these DIYs and enjoy it. So let's get straight to it. DIY gift number 1, hot chocolate. Me personally do not like hot chocolate by itself, but I love hot chocolate mixed with coffee. It's basically a mocha. My whole family love hot chocolate. They live for hot chocolate. So I was like, why not add a hot chocolate DIY gift? So you can use regular marshmallows. These marshmallows was the only one that I could find in my local grocery store, and they're peppermint. And I know a lot of people love peppermint in their hot chocolate. I just want this hot chocolate to taste as holiday as much as it can, because peppermint is just the holiday flavor. Once everything is pre-wrapped and can go inside the mug, and don't forget your peppermint, because like I said, the national flavor of the holidays is peppermint, so you can't forget your peppermint. And after that, you're gonna insert it inside of a gift wrap, and then you can wrap it up and place a bow, and Merry Christmas. You're welcome. Now, your second DIY gift, you can give wine, which is my favorite part of this whole DIY. I love wine. Like, I'm not an alcoholic, but I love my Moscato. To make this gift bag, you want to measure out 6 1/4 inches widthwise and 14 inches lengthwise. So after that, and you want to measure and see if the bottle could fit inside, which I did here with my little wonder clips. And then after that, my daughter just threw something at me. Oh my god. So yeah, so you want to clip it down, and then with the sewing machine you can just sew it straight down, or if you have fabric glue, you can get fabric glue and just glue it down. It works the same way. And once you have the size sewn down, you can do the bottom. And after you sew down the bottom, you can just flip it inside out and hem the top, and you have yourself a wine bag, which is so cute. And you can just measure every time you sew down or complete a side, just to see if it could fit still. And don't forget to add that bow. And now bath bombs. Yes, we are gonna try to do bath bombs. So this is one of the parts that I said is gonna seem like baking, but it's very, very simple if you just take your time and do it the right way. So I got this recipe from a YouTuber called Brittany Vasher. Oh my god, I'm so bad with pronouncing. But yeah, she actually gave me this idea to do this, not personally, but from her YouTube. And actually, this is the closest recipe to Lush bath bombs. And it works very good. You just got to take your time and make sure you shift everything just so it could be very, mixable. And you want to do the dry ingredients first. And what's so funny about this is that I'm measuring out everything and I already bought everything pre-measured. So basically my baking soda was already 2 cups. Like, it was just so funny when I was doing this. So if you see me like dumping a bag in there, it's because I already pre-measured it just by buying it. Disclaimer out there, just make sure the person you're gifting this to, you're not allergic to nuts, because I use almond oil and there's other oils out there you can use. So there, just a disclaimer out there, because I don't want to be the person that not say anything and it happens to that person. So when it comes to spraying the 50-50 alcohol, rubbing alcohol and water, you want to do it slow. I speed up my video just so you could see the spritz, but do it slow because you don't want no activation. Another important thing when you're adding, so at this point I already add the liquid and to the dry ingredients, which I forgot to record. I totally thought I pushed record. You want to do it slowly because you don't want any activation, because after it activates, it's literally done. Like, you're gonna have to start all over again. So slowly add the water or the wet ingredients inside the dry ingredients. I'm warning you now. And then you want to use your hand to mush it together, and you want it to be dry. You don't want it to be hella like wet and mushy. You want it to have a dry feel, but it should also like stay together at some point when you squish it, which you can also, that's why it's so easy to pack. And here I used a mason jar instead of a silicone, because I didn't have a silicone round mold, which I tried to buy and I just never got to it. So here's a tip: if you want to use a mold, pack it in there. Make sure you smush it down because it's gonna dry. If you're using it like bath salt, just insert in there. Do not pack it, just slowly insert it and close it, because I packed it in there and it was pretty hard to get out when I wanted to use it. Trial and error, I tell you, you have to love it. So yeah, learn from my mistakes. Do not pack it inside of a jar. And if you're using tomato, like a tomato jar, clean it out with alcohol first, because you don't want it to smell like tomato paste and gingerbread. And the last DIY gift, which I'll be doing a personalized kit with the spray bottle and a brush. So my essential as a naturalista is my spray bottle and my detangling brush and some leave-in conditioner. But you cannot personalize leave-in conditioner, so I just settled with the detangling brush and spray bottle. So yes, I am using my vinyl cutter to do this, and I did use the Louis Vuitton design for this. And no, I am not selling it because I'm not gonna get in trouble. I just thought it was a real cute look to do, and it turned out pretty cute. My sister-in-law even liked it. So yeah, so I just use my vinyl cutter with this. Like I said, if you don't have a vinyl cutter, you can also use like little jewels or bedazzle it with some really cute bedazzles or whatever. I know I'm just coming up with stuff on top of my head, but this is a really easy project to like, personalize on your own, because that's all I'm doing, personalizing a brush and water spray set. And then after it's done, you can just put it inside of a gift wrap, use a fancy bow, and like I said, you can give it away. Merry Christmas. I don't know who won't like this gift. And basically this is just a last minute gift video to help all you guys out there to, you know, just gift one another, or also just gift yourself or gift another, and there's nothing wrong with that. So this will be my last video. Let me see, let me check. We are, today is the 15th, so you'll be seeing this on the 18th. So my next video is gonna be on Christmas. Oh my god. So I don't know if I'm gonna do something like for Christmas, or I'm just gonna show you guys my Christmas Eve routine. I'm really not sure if somebody watches this, I don't know, like, or get this far. So if you want, just leave in the comments below for Christmas Eve. Do you guys want to see that for my next video? So Christmas Eve, get ready with me, or Christmas Eve, what we're gonna do in that night, because I don't know, Christmas Eve is just, it's just all about loving and also like spending time with your family. Comments below, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I finally made it to 100 subscribers. I'm actually at 103, and yay me, I'm so excited. I know there's more to come, and I'm so excited to reach 1,000 one day. That's my goal, to reach 1,000, and honestly my goal is to at least get to 1,000,000. And sometimes I think to myself, what makes me interesting, or what makes me, or what's gonna get me to 1,000,000. So it's like one day I'm hoping I get to 1,000,000, but that's just something in the side of my mind. Like, if I'm not real, you know, why bother be on the camera? Even though nowadays most people that is in front of a camera is making storylines up, like, nowadays, and I'm like, housewives. Subscribe already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.